Hey DIYers, welcome back to the channel. If your Moen shower won't turn off and water keeps running no matter how much you twist the handle, don't worry. In today's video, I'll walk you step by step through how to replace the Moen 1222 cartridge and get your shower working like new again. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. Before you start any plumbing repair, make sure to turn off the main water supply. In my case, the shutoff valve is in the garage near the water heater. Since there's no individual shutoff for the tub, I had to cut off water to the entire house. Step 2. Identify the problem. This type of Moen shower handle controls both the on-off and hot-cold functions. Right now, it won't shut the water off at all. Watch this. When someone turns the main water back on, water keeps running continuously. That tells us the cartridge inside the valve is faulty and needs replacement. Step 3. Remove the handle. Let's start by removing the handle. Use a 3/32 Allen wrench to loosen the small screw underneath the handle. Turn it counterclockwise until it comes out, then slide the handle off. Step 4. Disassemble the trim kit. Next, remove the Phillips screw in the center of the trim plate. There should be two pieces. Take them apart carefully. Then remove the inner plastic spacer, remember how it was aligned, and slide off the chrome sleeve. Step 5. Unscrew the valve plate. Now remove the two Phillips screws holding the metal trim plate to the wall and gently pull it off. Step 6. Remove the retaining clip. Locate the metal retaining clip at the top of the valve. Use needle nose pliers to pull it straight out. Just be careful not to drop it inside the wall. Step 7. Align the cartridge for removal. Turn the stem of the cartridge so the flat side with the ridge is facing up. Moen recommends using a cartridge puller tool, but I'm just using a pair of channel locks for this step. Step 8. Remove the old cartridge. Grip the plastic body of the cartridge and wiggle it back and forth while pulling it out. It may take some effort, especially if it's been in there for years. Once it's out, check for any broken or worn parts. Mine had a cracked stem. Step 9. Get the right replacement. We're replacing it with the Moen 1222 cartridge, which fits most single-handle Moen shower valves. You can find it online for around $40 to $45. Step 10. Lubricate and install the new cartridge. Apply plumber's grease or silicone grease to the rubber O-rings and the outside of the new cartridge. This helps it slide in easily and prevents leaks. Insert it into the valve with the hot-cold text facing up, and gently push it in until it's fully seated. And that's it! You've just fixed your Moen shower by replacing the 1222 cartridge, saving yourself a call to the plumber. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more home repair tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next DIY project.